Good morning, students. In the chapter Reproduction, the next topic that we will be learning today is reproduction in humans. All human beings undergo a sexual mode of reproduction. In this process, two parents are involved in producing a new individual. The offsprings are produced by the fusion of gametes, which is also known as the sex cell. These gametes are produced from each parent, which is from a male and a female. Hence, the newly formed individual will be different from that of their parents, both genetically and physically. Now, we shall study about the human reproductive system. In human beings, both male and female have different reproductive systems. They differ in both the structure and the function. Hence, they are known to exhibit sexual dimorphism. The reproduction in human beings involves the fusion of male and female gametes produced in the reproductive systems. Now, we will be studying about the male reproductive system. The male gamete, that is, the sperms, are produced within the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of different parts. The first important part of the male reproductive system is called as the testis or testicles. The testis or testicles is a pair of oval-shaped organ which is masked in a pouch called as the scrotum. The testis consists of coiled tube-like structures that produces the sperms, which is the male gamete. The testis also generates the male sex hormone, which is the testosterone, that brings about puberty in males. You can see the testicles in this picture. The sperms are the male gametes produced by testis in humans. Millions of sperms are produced by testis in a single day. Each sperm is a single microscopic cell having a head, a middle piece and a tail. The head contains a nucleus with a single set of chromosomes, and the middle piece contains a large number of mitochondria that provides energy during the active movement of the sperm. The sperm is a motile gamete which moves through the reproductive tract of a female with the help of the tail. The sperms produced in the testis are stored in a tube-like structure which is called as epididymis. Here the sperms get matured. So the epididymis can be seen in the picture that is given. The next part of the male reproductive system is the scrotum. It is a sac-like structure which is present behind the penis. The testicles or testis is present within the scrotum. It provides the right temperature to the testis so that they can produce the sperms. The next part is the accessory glands. This includes three glands, which is the seminal vesicles, the prostate gland and the Cowper's gland. The secretions from the seminal vesicles, prostate gland and Cowper's gland mix to form a fluid which is called as the semen. The semen nourishes the sperm. The next part of the male reproductive system is the vas deferens. It is a tube that carries the sperm from the testicles to the urethra, as you can see in the picture. Urethra is the next part of the male reproductive system. It is a tube-like structure that allows the flow of semen that contains the sperm outside the body. And the next part is the penis. It is a muscular organ which is located outside the body of the male. It helps in the transfer of sperms into the female body. The urethra and the penis are both also a part of the male urinary system. So, it is in the testicle or the testis where the sperms are formed, from where they are stored in the epididymis where they get matured, from where they are carried to the urethra through vas deferens, and from the urethra they flow out of the body through the penis, and the sperms are transferred to the female body during the intercourse. Now, we will be studying about the female reproductive system. The female gamete, that is the ovum, are produced within the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of several parts which we will be studying one after the other. So first amongst it is the ovary. The ovaries are the important female sex organ, and it is responsible for the production of female gametes, which is called as the egg or the ova. The female reproductive system comprises a pair of ovaries where the eggs or the ova are produced. The eggs consist of a single cell and the eggs are non-motile. The ovaries also produce female hormones which are called as estrogen and progesterone. The next part is the oviduct, which is also called as the fallopian tubes. These are two tubes with funnel-shaped openings. They extend from the superior right and left corners of the uterus, and they extend to the edges of the ovaries. The ovaries releases one egg every month into the oviducts. The oviducts consist of cilia that carry the fertilized ovum from the oviduct to the uterus. The next part of the female reproductive system is the uterus. It is an inverted pear-shaped organ that allows the development of the fertilized egg into a human baby. The uterus connects with the opening called as vagina through the cervix. The vagina is a muscular tube-like structure that connects with the cervix. The female reproductive system has two functions. The first amongst it is the production of female gametes, which is the egg or the ovum. And the next function is to provide nutrition and to protect the developing embryo. Now, we will be studying about the process of fertilization. Fertilization is a process of fusion of the male gamete with a female gamete. Fertilization is internal in humans. The sperms are deposited in the vagina during the sexual intercourse, and the sperms swim through the uterus and reaches the oviducts where the egg or the ovum is present. If an egg is present in the oviduct, one of the sperms may fuse with it. During fertilization, the nuclei of the sperm and the egg fuses to form a single nucleus. This results in the formation of a fertilized egg, which is called as the zygote. Since the zygote is formed with the fusion of the male and female gametes, the new individual possesses the characteristics of both the parents, which is the male and the female. So, today we have studied about the male and female reproductive system and also about the process of fertilization. Thank you, students.